It is in this background that we have been talking about our bipartite. क्या हो गया bipartite के अंदर? Yesterday some understandings have been reached. But what is that? Some people are telling why strike is not there. Why you have withdrawn? What has happened? Earlier also 15 was there, last week also, now also 15. Why? Yes, 15 was there last time also. And some more improvements have come. But people are all looking at 15%, 16%, 17%. What is the background in which we have negotiated? That we have forgotten. When we gave the charter of demands, the IB also gave its counter charter of demands. वो बोला हम आपका चार्टर ऑफ डिमांड के ऊपर हम नेगोशिएट करने का, बातचीत करने का, डिस्कस करने का तैयार हो, लेकिन हमारा तरफ से हमारा डिमांड भी है, वो हमारा डिमांड के ऊपर चर्चा करके थोड़ा फैसला करना पड़ेगा. If you settle my issues, I will settle your issues. So we asked them, what are your issues? They are very important. It is not that they want to do something good for us. Number one, they said that we don't want any industry level bipartite. क्यों? No, वो सब बैंक अलग अलग बैंक है. क्यों इतना बैंक को एक ही settlement? All banks are different. Their performance is different. Their efficiency is different. Productivity different. Profit is different. Why same? So we don't want industry level bipartite. And I'm very happy we have decided in the AEB. While wage revision is very important, these fundamentals are also very, very important. So we said no question of dismantling industry level bipartite. It should be there. I'm very happy in the 11th bipartite, 37 banks will be covered. Uniform bipartite settlement. That is number one. उसके बाद हमको बोला ठीक है यूनिफॉर्म सेटलमेंट होगा, लेकिन हम इंट्रोड्यूस करना है नया वाला. क्या है नया चीज है? कॉस्ट कंपनी इंट्रोड्यूस करना. हम पूछा कॉस्ट कंपनी क्या है जी? No, we want to know the cost of our establishment expenditure. Now we are talking 15%, 16%. ठीक है, it will cost them around 8,000 crores. But next month again it is going up. I am not able to, budget my expenditure. I know my income. I know my other expenditure, but I am not sure of my salary. My salary bill is going up, so I am not able to budget anything. So naturally, I want a static salary. So I don't want this at all. So I want to have cost company. What will be the cost next 5 years? Today I agree for 20,000, 30,000, 40,000. Next 5 years, no change. So that I know this is my salary cost, I will plan accordingly. ऐसा agree कर सकता है. Prices will go up and I can have a fixed cost. It is not possible. And so we rejected. And now I am very happy in the 11th bipartite cost company IBA छोड़ दिया. No cost company. उसके बाद IBA बोला हमको फिक्सल पे वेरिएबल पे इंट्रोड्यूस करना. Okay, uniform bipartite. Okay, no cost company. लेकिन फिक्सल पे वेरिएबल पे वो क्या है? No, all employees are not uniformly efficient. थोड़ा वाला अच्छा वाला है. और राजेश जी है अच्छा काम करता है बैंक में, तो he give more salary. और बल्ला जी थोड़ा एवरेज है, ठीक है थोड़ा कम दे दो. CH काम नहीं करता है, so don't give him anything. ABC category. Good employees, average employee, poor employee. So we have to fragmentize the people. We have to segregate the people. And so we want to introduce this fixed pay variable. I will give everybody some fixed salary and balance amount according to your efficiency. All the bank employees are efficient. Who is not efficient? Right from managing director to last part-time employee in the banking industry. We are all working for the bank. If customer is coming, we can serve them. If there is no customer, वो निजाम रोड ब्रांच में स्माइल किया, हम भी इधर स्माइल करना. कस्टमर नहीं भाई, कस्टमर आएगा तो हम स्माइल करेंगे. So efficiency depends on the people. So you can't differentiate the salary. They wanted to differentiate the salary. आज हमको खुशी के बात है that fixed pay variable भी वो IBA छोड़ दिया. Now it will be uniform salary for all the people. उसके बाद IBA बोला ठीक है वो छोड़ दो, fixed pay variable पे छोड़ दो. Now we have to have different banks. Some banks are state bank, बड़ा बैंक है, उनका प्रॉफिट ज्यादा है. बैंक ऑफ बड़ौदा, बैंक ऑफ इंडिया, कैनरा बैंक प्रॉफिट ज्यादा है, सेंट्रल बैंक प्रॉफिट कम है. There are some other bank where profit is less. So A, B, C कैटेगरी कर लो. A बैंक को अच्छा सैलरी दे देंगे, B कैटेगरी को मीडियम सैलरी दे देंगे, C कैटेगरी को कम दे देंगे. We said profit is a consequence. It is incidental to business. There are so many things in business. Ultimately, profit comes, goes. All banks are earning profit. But you can't. I want my salary for the work I do. I want my salary for the inflation. That is, before us, the prices will go up. Profit or loss, prices are going up. Is it that only for Bank of India people, brinjal is more, and for Central Bank people, cost of brinjal is less? Price is same. So this is वो भी agree नहीं करेंगे that all banks should get the same, all employees should get the same. वो भी IB agree किया. उसके बाद IB बोला ठीक है, लेकिन हमारा कास्ट हम कम करना है. एस्टैब्लिशमेंट कास्ट बहुत ज्यादा हो गया, इसलिए हमारे पास एक नया आइडिया है. क्या नया आइडिया है? आउटसोर्सिंग करना. Now all of us are permanent employees. And so IBA now said, you agree, sign an agreement that today you will be permanent employee. Kal se, from tomorrow, only contract employees, outsourcing employees. Contract employees matlab, unka salary kam hai, unka service condition kuch nahi hai. So naturally we will be saving more money in the establishment expenditure. So they said, you agree for contract employees so that we can save money and give you something more. That is what is happening in pay commission. There are 55 lakhs of employees in government. Now there are only 37 lakhs. 17-18 lakhs employees number कम हो गया. So उनको salary वो save हो गया. उनके कारण उधर थोड़ा ज्यादा मिलना है. But same thing, our management is also willing. IBA is willing. You agree for contract employees, we can save money. I will give you more. But I am very happy. AIB, we rejected it. We said we don't want contract, we want permanent employee. Young people should get more and more permanent job in the bank in future also. So no question of contract, less or more, we will get uniform. I am very happy that IBA has now withdrawn that demand also. Uske baad bola, during our surveys, if there is any misconduct, major misconduct, minor misconduct, if you smile too much, it is also a minor misconduct. They are giving smiling service, this, but if you smile too much at some customer will give a complaint. That employee is smiling at me all the time, so he will be given a memo. And Naik will give some increment cut punishment. So this is during service. After retirement के बाद आराम से इस चेयर में बैठना है. That is our dream, ना? Retirement के बाद क्या करना? आराम करना. Now IBA is telling, after retirement also, I should have the authority to take disciplinary action. समझ गया? We want to have peaceful, happy, healthy, retired life. We say Tata, bye-bye, and we want to sit at home. Now management, IBA says, even after retirement, I want to take action. And that also Mana kiya. And now IBA has agreed to withdraw that demand also. That means so many anti-employee demands. It is in this background that we are talking to the IBA in bipartite. हमारा बैंक का एम्प्लॉइज को सोच है, आज गया कितना दिया 6%, नेक्स्ट टाइम क्या हो गया 8%, नेक्स्ट टाइम क्या हो गया 10%. सर you go every day, sir, 12, 13, 14, 18, 20, 23, 25, 28, 29. We are thinking like that. But we are negotiating with all these constraints. But we are very happy in the IBA. We decided no anti-employee demand of the IBA will be accepted. And we are happy we are going to sign this bipartite without accepting any of the conditions of the management. This is very, very important. Secondly, what is our demand? There are 4 parts in the demand. Part 1, हमारा monthly salary, वो important है. Part 2, हमारा सर्विस कंडीशन, लीव के बारे में, एलएफसी के बारे में, मेडिकल के बारे में, डायमा लेवल्स के बारे में. These are all service conditions. This is number 2. Number 3, after retirement हमको क्या मिलेगा? वो provident fund को हिंदी में क्या बोलता है? भविष्य निधि है ना, फ्यूचर के लिए. You can't say I will take my provident fund after retirement. Today you have to save. You have to fight for more retirement benefit now, so that when you retire you will get that. So this is part 3. Part 4. Already there are people who are retired. Darshan Singh, I saw him. He is sitting here only. He is waiting what I am going to talk. Retired people. So वो पहले रिटायर्ड हो गया, उनका पेंशन कम है, so उनका सोचे हमको भी थोड़ा दे दो. So naturally there are 4 parts. वो बाईपार्टेड एक एग्जामिनेशन है. आप एसएलसी में मालूम है ना, इंग्लिश होगा, हिंदी होगा, अरिथमेटिक होगा, ज्योग्राफी होगा, हिस्ट्री होगा. You have to pass in all the examination. In arithmetic I got 100 marks. In English I got 20 marks. SLC pass होगा? नहीं होगा. Similarly, we have 4 papers in the bipartite. My monthly salary, my service condition, my future retirement benefit, existing retired employees. And all the 4 examinations we have to pass. Existing people say, sir, my monthly salary. Some people say, no, my service condition. Some people say, my retirement benefit. Retirees are telling my updation. But in the 8 years, we have to pass in all the 4 examinations. That is why we have to concentrate and balance all the 4. Bipartite means money. If the money will come, I have to distribute the money in all the things. So in payslip now we have taken over the discussion. 2%, 6%, 8%, 10%, 12%, now 15%. So people are saying, sir, last time भी 15 हो गया, आज भी 15 है, और थोड़ा कर लो. कारण क्यों? उनका सोच है वो 15 है, आज कम से कम 16 होना चाहिए. So you see that 15 and 15 are the same. In many meetings we are repeating. Last time 10 bipartite 15% mean 4,725 crores. आज 11 bipartite के अंदर 15% mean 7,900 crores. So you can understand, we distributed 4,725 crores. This time we are going to distribute 7,900 crores. That means per capita will be much more. This bipartite is going to give you much more salary increase than all the 10 bipartite settlement. It is going to be a very good settlement. That is very important. And we have to distribute that into basic pay, into DA, into HRA, into transport, all these. So हमारा priority क्या है? बेसिक पे बढ़ना है. क्यों? बेसिक पे बढ़ेगा तो डीए बढ़ेगा, पेंशन बढ़ेगा, ग्रेजुएटी बढ़ेगा, न्यू पेंशन स्कीम बढ़ेगा. So that is priority number 1. But whether suppose your salary is 30,000, basic pay 30,000, DA 0, HRA 0, ऐसा होगा क्या? नहीं होगा. So we have to give all the things, but priority is maximum in basic pay. And what is the next one? Basic pay mean with superannuation. Second, 2 tier. Second tier is some allowance with the D. Third is HRA, transport, etc. So we will try to maximize the distribution of money to all the things. Even yesterday we have spoken that 2% loading के बारे में इतना चर्चा हो गया. I have also argued. Now they have agreed that they will look into the cost. Within the cost, pension, basic pay, कितना बढ़ सकता है देखेगा. That is our priority. So we will distribute the money. But ultimately money will be available. Second part is service condition. Leave is very important. हमारे leave के बारे में हमारे डिमांड किया. Casual leave increase कर लो, privilege leave increase कर लो, sick leave increase कर लो, maternity leave increase कर लो, paternity leave increase कर लो, लासा पे leave increase कर लो, सब कर लो, friday banking कर लो. आईबी हमको पूछा, वो सब छोड़ दो, कितना दिन बैंक को अब आएगा वो बोलो. You are going on adding all the leave. When you will come to the bank? So this we have been talking. But even then, with all that, in privilege leave there will be some improvement. In sick leave particularly, additional 3 months, 90 days sick leave with salary have been agreed in the one bipartite. First time additional 3 months sick leave. अब सिक लीव के अंदर आज हमारा कंडीशन क्या है? आप सिक लीव में जाना है तो मेडिकल सर्टिफिकेट देना पड़ेगा, हमको बीमारी हो गया. बट फॉर लेडी एम्प्लॉइज, बच्चों हैं, चिल्ड्रन, सन, डॉटर, दे गेट सिक, उनको बीमारी हो गया, होता है. So mother has to take care. Father is a irresponsible man. He will go to cinema on that day only. We are all wonderful people. So the mother, the lady has to take care. A lot of young girls have joined the banks now. So naturally, to take care of the children, joint family is not there. So it becomes the problem of the lady employee. So keeping that in mind, this time it has been agreed for lady employees alone, if they have a child of 8 years and below, if the child is not well, the mother can take sick leave. First time it is going to come in the 11th bipartite. In the 12th bipartite, gents also will get it. Provided you agree to take care of the children. Then maternity leave, very important. Now we have 12 months. And 12 months, okay, we wanted to improve, it is not possible. But in ladies, there are two sections of people. One very senior people, another very junior people. Very senior people, they were exhausted the maternity. उसके बाद उनको थोड़ा health problem आता है. Especially hysterectomy is very common at a senior age. But they have no maternity leave. So this time in the bipartite ideas agreed, after exhausting maternity for hysterectomy for the senior lady comrades, additional 2 months maternity with salary will be sanctioned. It's a new one. Similarly, we are also experiencing, we are observing among the young women, now this adoption is becoming more, the instance of adoption is increasing. So for adoption now we have 6 months. In 9th bipartite we had adoption of child 2 months leave. In 10th bipartite we made it to 6 months. Now in 11th bipartite 6 months will be increased to 9 months for adoption leave. There will be some improvement in paternity leave also. Similarly now curfew hai, law and order problem hai, natural calamity hai. It's all very common now. Floods are coming, this is coming. Kerala, we had a big suffering. In many parts of the, now in Delhi, Comrade Puri has come, Guy has come, Ramjit has come from Delhi. We don't know when problem will come in Delhi. Every day there is a problem. So immediately they say cordon, section 144, this one, that one, you can't go. My branch is in that area. I am ready to go. But branch is closed because police says nobody can go there. But now what is happening? They are debiting my leave. Now 11th bipartite they have agreed. If there is a natural calamity or any law and order problem because of which I am ready to go to the bank, but bank is not being open because of this problem, then my absence will be treated as a special pay with salary. Entire period salary will be paid by the bank. You may not be able to go to the bank. It's a new one. You can clap. If you don't want, you tell me. I'll send one SMS to IBM now. It's a very important thing. So in leave, in LFC, lot of improvements will come in LFC. Distance ज़्यादा होगा, class of travel ज़्यादा होगा, local sightseeing will be covered in the LFC. Lot of improvements will come, especially for North India. Especially this time we have argued. People are working in extreme north, beyond Simla, beyond in Himachal, extreme areas. Similarly here in Jammu area, Punjab area, in hills. They are also getting the same LFC. You are also getting the same LFC. People in Delhi, they get the same LFC. Chennai, they get the same LFC. Now this time, for these extreme distant places, additional LFC. The LFC will start from maybe Chandigarh or Kalka, or maybe from Jammu, or maybe from Pathankot. From that to their place, it will be additional extra LFC for the people, especially keeping the North Indian Punjab zone in mind. The big clap kar lo bhai. क्या आपको नहीं चाहिए? चाहिए क्या? बोलो. आपको नहीं चाहिए तो बोलो. बोलेंगे IBA को. So in LFC, all this improvement will come. Now we are getting HRA. Now this time they have agreed that if management is transferring an employee, a clerk or a peon, a sub-staff, maybe on sub-staff promotion to clerk, maybe a clerk to head cashier, maybe head cashier to special assistant. We are posted from Ludhiana to Jalandhar. Maybe I said something within a district something, but we are going to another place. So in those cases they have agreed in a percentage HRA, like officer, house rent reimbursement मिलेगा वो employees को. First time house rent reimbursement. Similarly, we are going on duty from one place to another. Now हमको क्या मिलता है? Time allowance मिलता है. वो time allowance ज़्यादा होगा. In addition, hotel rent reimbursement scheme will be introduced for those who are going on outstation duty. समझ गया? 1 minute हो गया. So service conditions are being improved. This is second point. Third is my retirement benefits. Existing employees, उनको gratuity ज़्यादा होगा, उनको pension ज़्यादा होगा. But we have a large number of young people. They are not covered by the old pension scheme. हमारा demand है, उनको भी वो old pension देना पड़ेगा. वो हमारा demand है. But मोदी जी बोला no, अभी नहीं, बाद में. इकोनॉमी रिवाइवल के बाद कब होगा? आई विल बी अगेन री इलेक्टेड नेक्स्ट टाइम, बाद में देखें, आज नहीं. तो थोड़ा और लड़ना है. तो उसको पहले, बिफोर वी गेट ऑल द न्यू पीपल आल्सो द ओल्ड पेंशन स्कीम, वी सेड वी वांट सम इंप्रूवमेंट फॉर द न्यू पेंशन कवर्ड एम्प्लॉइज एंड IB has now agreed 10% will become 14%. That means new pension scheme benefit will be improved by another 40%. More new pension scheme will be available for the young people. They are very important for us. So that is for existing people. And last category is the retired people. वो पहले रिटायर्ड हो गया, 86 में रिटायर्ड हो गया, 90 में रिटायर्ड हो गया. उनका पेंशन कम है आज. मेरा पेंशन ज्यादा है. Now I have retired. But some people are retired in the past. And we have 3 problems for the retired people. 1, उनको पेंशन बढ़ना है. दूसरा है हमारा फैमिली पेंशन परसेंटेज बहुत कम है, वो भी इम्प्रूव करना. 3rd, उनका मेडिकल इंश्योरेंस के बारे में उनका प्रीमियम ज्यादा है, नॉन अफोर्डेबल है. तो थोड़ा अफोर्डेबल करना. IB has agreed. They will discuss with us the medical reimbursement scheme, that is the medical insurance scheme for the retirees, will be restructured so that the insurance premium will come down so that it will benefit the retired people. They have agreed. Number 2, family pension. Now it is 30%, 20%, 15%. Now IB has recommended for all the people 30%. That means almost double the family pension मिलेगा और लेकिन गवर्नमेंट सैंक्शन करना. मोदी थोड़ा बिजी है, बार बार बाहर जाता है, कब इंडिया में आएगा मालूम नहीं. So naturally, anyway, it's very important. They have agreed yesterday. Then pre-1986 retirees है, उनको पेंशन है, उनको एस्क्रेशिया मिलता है 175, 350. And yesterday IB has agreed that IBA itself will inform all the banks, they'll advise all the banks to increase the ex-gratia for the pre-1986 retirees also. And last one, updation. हमको every 5 years we get the salary increase, 11, 12, 13 by per ऐसा. But उनको ऐसा नहीं होता है. Whatever you retire on that day, what is the pension? Same pension. उनके कारण उनको पेंशन बहुत कम है. तो हमारी डिमांड है उनका थोड़ा अपडेट करना, पीरियडिकली अपडेट करना. लेकिन अपडेट करने का पैसा चाहिए. पेंशन भी पैसा है, ऐसा नहीं वो पेंशन मैंगो ट्री है. Whenever you want money, you can take from the mango tree. It is not that pension fund is a limited fund. Lekin yesterday, IB has agreed for family pension. According to a conservative estimate, about 10,000 crores of funding will be required. Yesterday, IB has agreed that it will not be within our 15%. In addition to 15%, extra family pension funding will be borne by the bank. It's also very, very important. About 10,000 crores. One thing I forgot. In addition to our 14%, this time they have agreed that there will be encashment. Every year you can encash your leave up to 5 days, and those who are having less than 5 years service, 7 days. 5 days encashment, maybe for your Guru Nanak birthday, maybe for Diwali, maybe for Navratra, whatever it may be, anything. Christmas, Ramzan, whatever it may be. Every year 5 days encashment, that is going to cost around 750 to 800 crores. So 15% means 7,900. And for encashment around another 750 to 800 crores. In addition, there are other allowances that are being paid. And for that about 300 crores. That means 7,900 and 800, 8,700 plus 300. Around 9,000 crores of money will be available for the serving people. Similarly, for the updation, family pension around 10,000 crores will be required. That will be separately given by the management, from the balance sheet. For updation, we have been arguing, and Ushike Bhata yesterday they have agreed that there will be some beginning of updation. Maybe 5th bipartite retirees will become at par with 6th. 6th bipartite retirees will become at par with 7th. There is a lot of improvement hoga. We have to work out the cost. It's also very, very costly. But it is very important that for the first time our demand for updation is going to have a beginning. I am very sure that Darshan Singh and all the retirees will be very happy. The first time some updation is going to take place. So retirees के लिए कुछ होगा, हमारा retirement benefit ज़्यादा होगा, हमारा service condition बढ़ेगा, salary बढ़ेगा. So in all the 4 examinations we are passing. That is why 11th bipartite examination we will be passing. That is very, very important. और कुछ है. Yesterday broad things are over. Some more discussions are there. We have to discuss 5-day banking. They said it's not possible. Modi mana kiya, Nirmala ji mana kiya. But yesterday they were agreed, we'll pursue. Okay, we'll pursue further. And maybe in future we can get it. It is not that it's a post matter. So that means bipartite is going to be a good one. And we also need to concentrate on other matters. Government के policy के ऊपर, banking policy के ऊपर, merger के ऊपर, and importantly, what is the problem in the banking industry? Employees are not working. ऐसा है नहीं. All are working. General manager is working. Sub staff is working. All are working. Even then, ultimately, problem.